Hello children, I hope you all are fine. Today in science we are going to study lesson 10 seasons. So children, let's start with the lesson seasons. Children, first of all, let us know what is a season. When the same kind of weather continues for 2-3 months at a time, that period is called a season. There are mainly 3 kinds of seasons: summer season, rainy season, and winter season. So, let us study about each season in detail. Children, do you know that summer is the hottest season of the year? As it starts in March and ends in June. In summer, days are longer and nights are short. In the summer season, days are very hot as the sun shines very brightly. Dusty, dry and hot winds blows during summer season. So, what do we wear in summer season? We wear light colored cotton clothes in summer season. They keep us cool. We wear hat in summer season. It protects us from heat of the sun. We also wear sunglasses when we go out. Now, let us look at the things that we eat in summer season. In summer season, we generally like to have light and non-oily food. In summer season, we frequently feel thirsty, so we drink plenty of water. In a hot summer, we like to drink cold drinks. Fresh juices, and sometimes we like to eat an ice cream in summer season. Now let us look at the fruits that we get in summer season. In summer season, we get watermelon, mangoes, and lychees. Rainy season. After the hot summer comes the rainy season. It is also called monsoon in India. Rainy season starts in June and ends in August, and sometimes it also rains in September. It rains heavily during these months. The rainwater fills the dried ponds, lakes, and rivers. The trees and plants look green during this time. In rainy season, the days are dark as the dark clouds hide the sun. Children, can you tell me those things that we use during rainy season? Come, let me tell you those things. We use umbrella and raincoat to protect ourselves from the rain. People also wear gumboots when it rains. Now, let us look at the things that we see during rainy season. We see grey or black clouds during rainy season. And sometimes we see lightning and thunder. And we can also see a beautiful rainbow after the rain stops. Children, do you know a rainbow has 7 colors in it? These are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Now let's talk about winter season. Winter is the coldest season of the year. As it starts in December and ends in February. So, in winter, the days are very short than night. During winter, the cold wind blows and we feel very cold. Now let us look at the clothes that we wear in winter season. We wear woolen clothes in winter season. Woolen clothes like jacket, coat, muffler, woolen cap, and gloves keep us warm and protect ourselves from cold. Now let us look at the things that we eat in winter season. In winter season, we like to eat hot food. And we also like hot drinks such as hot milk, hot coffee, and hot soup. Papaya, guava, and apple are the fruits that we get in winter season. Children, I hope you have enjoyed and understood this lesson very well. Thank you.